I've been bleaching my hair for 10 years now and recently decided to go back to my natural hair color. My hair is pretty dry and damaged, so I'm going to show you my favorite products that I use as a hairstylist to keep my hair looking healthy. First, I'm starting off with Extra Moist Moisturizing Shampoo by AG Care. This is my all-time favorite shampoo lately. It's super hydrating, and you guys, it smells so good, like creamsicles or those nostalgic chocolate oranges. Adding some water is really going to help with lathering your shampoo a bit more, really focusing on your scalp area and your sideburns as well. I like to rinse everything out and do a double shampoo because I wash my hair once a week. This is my favorite hair mask that I've been obsessing over lately. It's the Wella Ultimate Repair hair mask with alpha hydroxy acids and omega-9 to strengthen and rebuild your hair from inside and out. I apply this on towel dried hair, and you can use either a brush or your fingers to comb through your hair and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is a side note, but the GFB bites are the best snacks and they have so many good flavors. Rinse out the hair mask and towel dry as much as possible. Next, I'm using Wella's Miracle Hair Rescue Treatment Spray. This stuff is incredible. It works so good with breakage as well as repairing damaged hair within 90 seconds. I like to brush the product through my hair to evenly distribute it before blow drying. Follow the link in my bio to receive 15% off on all Wella products using my code. I'm going to show you guys the easiest and fastest way. I like to style my bangs using a Velcro roller. It takes me less than 1 minute. Remember to always point your hair dryer down from scalp to ends when blow drying your hair. This is going to allow to close your cuticles and give you more of a shiny, smooth look. And you guys, oh my gosh, look at the shine already. After my hair is completely dried, I remove the Velcro roller from my bangs and just kind of brush it out. And that's it, you guys. Look how healthy my hair is. These are my favorite products that I use every week. Thanks for joining me on my hair wash day. Bye.